Hi, Sonia Curtis here with over 16 years of real estate experience in the local Los Angeles areas. So, one of the biggest things I can tell you if you're selling your home is disclose. Now, what disclose means is you tell the buyers everything you know about your property. Any issues you've had, any repairs you've done, any problems that you've had, you want to be honest and tell them. I can't tell you how many times my sellers, when they're filling out the disclosure forms, will say, well, we did have a problem with the kitchen sink, but we fixed it. Do we have to put it down? And I always say, yes, you do. Because the buyers have a right to know what's gone on, right? And this is where the majority of lawsuits happen in real estate, is the sellers are not honest and they don't disclose past problems. You just want to be honest. I have rarely seen a buyer cancel a deal because a seller was honest about a past problem. All buyers realize that they're buying a used property. Unless it's a brand spanking new construction, people have lived in it. There's wear and tear. Things happen. Plumbing issues, electrical issues, wear and tear. So buyers are not going to be put off by you being honest that there have been issues. They just want to see that you've repaired the issues. They want to know the scope of the issues. And they do have a right to investigate if there are still issues and see what it's going to cost them to fix the issues. Then we can get into a negotiation on whether the seller has to give them any credits or not. But that's where I come in to help. The most important thing is be